Update. I bought something and I want to share it with you. We can start from this box. This came from South Italy, Grottaglie, Puglia. Wonderful place, I know very well. And here inside we have not taralli, but this is a very cheap, but I hope very good ESC from Hobbywing. It's for brushed motor, and I need this for this project, the Carbon Asso. I name it Asso, not Associated. We have a Reedy of Gold Star, I don't remember well, but it's quite powerful, but not so powerful, so I think that this could fit well. But this is a future project, a future video. I have to finish this car, I have to change something, the servo, another video. And this is one. And here we have, yes, this. This is supposed to be a very little micro screwdriver, electric screwdriver. Where's the knife? Here. I hope that I have made a good thing buying this. Yes, look at how many do they are. And this is the screwdriver, on off. But I have to charge with USB. This is the cable. And this is something to hold, I don't understand, I will read it later. Okay, inside the box we have this, that is charged from a USB. I think this one is the charging cable. I don't want to break it, never mind. Okay. Come on. We have this. Nice tool. And the charging cable. Now I have to charge it. This is the light for charging. And, okay, we can charge it. Okay, 1, 2, light. We must wait. And this is, I'm very happy about this, because I do a lot of work with very tiny screws, and using this or this. Really, it's a hard work when you have thousands of screws to build a model like this one or this one. These are instructions, very easy. With a little bit of charge we have lights and very smooth, very silent. This is still charging. We have a bunch of heads with all the screws you need. Very little. Fantastic. And this is a useful tool because demagnetize and magnetize, plus, minus. You can magnetize or demagnetize as you need the screwdrivers. This tool still is mysterious. It seems something to do like that. I don't know. So I decided to invest some money in a good, nice and helpful tool. And the last one is ta-da! I had a tripod, this one, in pieces, and it's very old, this one. The nice thing about this is the head, because undoing the screw we have. Okay, bye bye, thanks for the work. And I decided to buy this. This is a selfie stick. I don't used to do selfies. Comment, like and subscribe. And but it's fantastic because it's 1.80 meters high. I can put it here when I work with the camera up and show you exactly as you were here behind me. And now we can open it and see. Paper. This has a remote control. This is to mount the GoPro. Perfect. And this is the stick. Quite big. Quite big. But this is a lever to, what is it for? Wow, for the phone. One, two, and then you lift this. This is the remote, up to 10 meters. Then they say you can lift it up. For sure, there will be a way to lift it up. Here not, here not. Wow, it's very hard. This one. Fantastic! It's very high. Perfect. Then you can also open the legs in some way. I have, yes, like this. Then perhaps you have to turn something here, not. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And it stays. I have to read instructions then, but I think that this is quite a good thing. Yes. This is all. Up to the next with the barn track. This is a spoiler. That's a fantastic. Or with this, or with a very old Schuko car. Stay tuned! Comment, like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Ciao a tutti. Ciao. Bye bye.